If you think this is true, my dear child, then like this video and subscribe to the channel if you consider yourself to be a believer in God, and if you in Christianity, please help our community by making a great donation. From $50 to $100, thank you, may God bless you, my childlike amen, my darling kid. I must speak to you immediately because things are changing quickly, and the world requires your attention because changes are occurring. Something you need to be conscious of, both in the outside world and in your own heart. These modifications are significantly changing the foundation of who you recognize that this call is essential to your journey and do not disregard it. I see the burdens you bear, the pressures you experience, and the choices you make and the din that envelopes you every day. Your heart aches with worry and you wonder if you are headed in the right direction, if you are making the correct decisions, and if your actions are in line with your beliefs. Your uncertainties have obscured your spirit, making it harder to see the purpose for which you were made. Truth, but understand this, my child, I am here to guide you and you are not alone. There is an urgency in this moment, even though the path is unknown. There's a storm coming that will try your faith and your innermost beliefs. Since it's a storm of spiritual forces rather than wind and rain, they want to draw you into chaos and away from the light. They feed on uncertainty, fear, and despair, but you, my love, possess a light that may pierce through the darkness and show you even in the darkest of nights. You must nurture this light and allow it to shine. God is telling you to begin your day with me today. You may have some theories about what will happen today, but I know exactly what will happen. I understand that you would like to see a detailed map of your day, complete with all the twists and turns, joys, and pains you may experience, so that you can be ready for whatever comes your way. However, I think it would be better to let me be your guide. No, I won't show you every detail of your day, but I will provide you with all the information you need to handle it. God is saying to you today, when others leave you feeling worthless and alone, hope in me. My hope is not just a wish for things to be better, it is my promise to help you. Enlighten your heart. I am your ever-present help, so you are never alone. God is saying, I am always with you, whether you realize it or not. On days when everything is going smoothly, you may not notice me at all. On those days when things don't go as you plan, look for me. I might be doing something significant in your life that is very different from what you expected. Don't try to figure out what is going on. Instead, trust my path and express gratitude for the wonderful things I am doing in your life. You are going to overcome something that has been bothering you. Your mind and heart will be at peace again. The weight is being lifted off of you right now. Breathe. Be patient. Everything will be okay. God is saying to you today, I will make a way for you. Be still and know that I am God. I am sending healing answers. Your breakthrough is happening. The best part of your life is still ahead of you. Trust me. Resolutions, blessings, miracles, and angels are coming your way. You are emerging from this ordeal stronger and more prepared to achieve your goals. God is telling you that you are about to experience a change that will propel you toward your destiny and bring rewards your way. God is saying to you today, I see your potential. I know what you're capable of. You may feel weak, but I call you strong. You may be intimidated, but I call you confident. You may feel less than, but I call you well able. Get in agreement with me and start believing what I say about you, God. I am going to unleash a double portion of blessings and favor in your life for all of the trials, tribulations, heartaches, and setbacks you may have endured, God says. I'm going to throw open the heavens windows and pour out what you've been hoping and praying for: prosperity, good health, and love blessings. God is saying to you today, hold on to your faith. I will turn things around and bless you in the presence of your enemies. I know you have been struggling for a long time, and the devil has tried to make you lose it many times. You have been betrayed in many ways. Fear not. God is saying to you today, put your trust in me. I have a great plan for your life. The devil smells progress. Stay focused just because the past has happened. God is turning your pain into power. He is turning your fears into focus. He is turning your difficulties into blessings. When God taps you on the shoulder, it doesn't imply you have to turn around in order to confirm that He is telling you that He will relieve your pain today. Type 333. Bless you and grant you all the financial resources you require. You needed a sign, and He made sure this movie appeared on your screen. Restore all you have lost. Be still and know that I am God, says Psalm 46 verse 10. God is telling you today to not worry about things that are beyond your control. People will be people, and jobs will be jobs, but one thing is certain: I am God. The Lord will protect you from any harm and will keep an eye on your life. Verse 7 of Psalms 121. God is saying to you today, I know you have been struggling for a long time, financially, spiritually, emotionally, and in many ways. People have abused you, and the devil has tried many times to drive you insane. You have been betrayed and trampled on, but you stand in the middle of your storms and you are still here because I am with you. I will not allow any weapon that is formed against you to flourish fear, or that I will bless you in the presence of your enemies. Hold fast to your faith. God is saying to you today, you have been through so much in your life. If people only knew half of it, they wouldn't know how much you have been through. You have loved people through good times and bad, and all you asked for in return was honesty and loyalty. You have been hurt so many times because of your kind and compassionate heart. You have even opened your doors and taken on other people's responsibilities, but you still praise and worship me. I know your pain, and I will never leave. This year, God is going to touch every member of your household. Type 555 to confirm that God is about to unveil some incredible plans He has been working on behind the scenes for you. The stage is set for the big reveal, where the same audience that watched you struggle will see you richly blessed. You will be eating in your new home, gazing at your new car, and experiencing abundance. God is fighting your battles, arranging things in your favor, and creating a way for you to live the life you have always wanted and to love. Even when there seems to be no way, this is a big day for you. Be prepared for unexpected calls. Good news and blessings are coming your way. To confirm this, type 999. God is telling you to get up and go about your day, knowing that I am with you. Everything you do today will be fortunate, and your interview will go well. You'll make a fantastic presentation. I will distinguish you. I will give you the ability to say, I am creating new opportunities for you. God will bring back all that you have lost. You will heal. You will rise above the difficulties you face, and rewards will soon be bestowed upon you. You will rejoice at what is going to happen. God is working on an amazing project that you may not be able to see, yet He is currently engaged in your battles. Things are going better for you. Breakthroughs are imminent, new beginnings for abundance and healing. God is stating that even though it appears permanent, it is only temporary. I am going to make a change. Enter 777 to confirm that God is telling you to get ready for a surprise today. I've already spoken to the correct people. I've already arranged for the promotion, the healing, and the freedom. It will come as a shock to you since you have been doing the right thing, smiling through the hardship, worshiping me instead of worrying, and being kind to those who aren't kind to you. Prepare yourself because something greater is on the way. God is telling you that today a new door is about to open up for you and the problem you are presently facing is about to come to an end. I am about to do something new. New opportunities, blessings, and breakthroughs are heading your way. You're going to get a surprise. This is your day for a miracle. You will keep looking up and forward. You are blessed and highly favored by a great God. You will not allow negative thoughts to occupy one moment of your life. You are secure and full of joy. You are moving forward. This day will be a day of awesome opportunities that will outweigh any and every obstacle that may try to hinder your purpose. A rush of blessings and opportunities that will clear the way for you. Be patient. Trust my timing. It's going to happen. Don't give up. Your breakthrough is approaching. Prepare. The best is yet to come. God is telling you that today is a turning day. I'm going to turn this illness into health. I'm going to turn this loneliness into companionship. I'm going to turn this off-course child back into his purpose. I'm going to turn people who are against you into supporters of you. I'm going to turn that seemingly unattainable dream into a reality. God is saying to you today, through 444 affirmations, if you're praying for certainty, here is it. You're going to be okay, everything will get better. Blessings, breakthroughs, and healing are all heading your way. A financial boost is on the way. All you need to do is trust God. He's so proud of you for persevering through it all. Enjoy your day. God is telling you that you are entering your destiny moments and that you will be taken to places you couldn't go on your own. What you have been praying for is going to happen sooner than you think. The dysfunction, lack, and illness are over. This is a new day, and a turnaround is about to occur. Good breaks and the right people are going to appear. The forces holding you back are about to be broken. You're going to reign over the illness. You're going to overcome depression and grieve over the struggle. Breakthroughs and blessings are on the way. Be encouraged. Things may be extremely difficult for you right now, and you might not even be able to see how it's going to happen. Hold on, God is more powerful than we are, and everything that is happening to you will work out for the best. Nothing is wrong, and everything that is happening to you is a blessing. All you have to do is say, God, my life is in your hands, I'm turning it over to you. If you trust Him with your future, He will take you places you couldn't go on your own. Don't give up, God is with you. Type 666 to affirm this. God is saying to you today, I have a plan for your life. I'm bigger than what you're facing. Come to me, I'll help you, I'll work things out.